Do you like what you see? A place where every detail whispers luxury and every corner tells the story of home. This is a 600 square meter beautifully designed duplex located in the serene heart of Gulf Annex Estate, Annex Enugu. Step into expensive living areas, bathed in natural light. Explore finely crafted interior, modern architectures, and premium finishes that redefine sophistication. From the grand staircase to the kitchen, every inch of this home is built to impress. Whether you are raising a family or seeking the peace you deserve, this isn't just a house, it is a luxury living. Features include 6 spacious bedrooms, a private library, parking stall, laundry room, security house, and an outdoor sitting area. And that is not all. Live an entire year without NEPA. This home comes fully equipped with a solar power system, surveillance cameras, and a purified water system. Your dream home is waiting. Why just imagine it when you can own it? For inspections and inquiries, please call